Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD, the guy in the video. And today we're going to talk about why ERD and why you should call ERD. So, ERD is an industrial service company that's been doing this kind of work for almost 30 years. Actually, next year is our 30th year in service. And the one thing that we can say about ERD is we are the experts at solving problems, regardless of what you send to us. So, here on the table, I have a few examples of newer projects that we're working on for the semiconductor industry. So over here, this is a valve that's an exhaust valve that's electronically controlled that goes into a tool used in making semiconductor products. Over here, this is a Trebor pump. Now, this is the kind of pump that's not electrical, but pneumatic. So it's air driven. And they use these kind of things in the semiconductor industry so that there's no chance of particles of metal or anything else getting in the liquid that they're pumping with this pump. And of course, here, our tried and true control board that runs some part of a LAM tool. And this one is basically just a firing and control board. So ERD, we get in items like this every day. We have never seen them before. We have no idea necessarily as they show up what they do. We do our due diligence and research to figure it out, but we're able, within a very, very reasonable time frame, come up with a method to not only rebuild these units, but fully test them. So that is the real key to our success over the last 30 years, is we are the adaptable industrial service company. So regardless of what problem you have, with what kind of equipment you have, we probably have a solution here at ERD where we're repairing the world one board, pump, or valve at a time.